learn how to get out of the way of punches. So if you don't, you can defend. It's one of those things you've got to move out of the way.
Fuck.
Yeah, so you got the weave and you got the slip back, which is a very good. Floyd does it a lot, so he'll get the guy to jab at him, he'll come back, and then he'll come over the top with the right hand. It's a very effective shot. So this is.
I knew it was coming. Fuck's sake, I knew it was coming.
It happens to everybody.
I ask you too, Chris, before I let you go. Big fight next week. It's got a lot of love back home in the UK with Logan Paul, KSI coming from the UK. Any thoughts on it? Do you picking a winner? Watching with interest?
KSI is my boy. You know, I worked with him, trained with him before the first fight. I see a lot of strengths in him. He's on it. He's really on it. You know, I was with him actually yesterday, and you know, he's much more focused for this fight than he was the first time. So I think he's going to go out there and dominate.
See what you think, because when I'm watching the first time, I said these guys ain't bad, man. They would kick most people's ass just on the street.
Anybody who's willing to get in the ring and settle their differences like a man, you got to respect it. You know, you get so much of this online Twitter beef, Instagram beef, and then it just, you know, it ends up in a little rap song, and then they just kiss and make up. No one actually, you know, throws down and settles the difference, you know, mono with mono. So I got a lot of respect for these guys, and they're bringing a whole new audience to the fight game. They're bringing a whole new fan base.
So it's good for boxing, you think?
I believe so. We've got kids out there that would never even have thought about boxing, never even thought about following the sport, who are now